And the winner is Tapo. I think this is the one. Mandy, maybe you should move a box out of the way.
I think I should move a box.
Maybe a couple of boxes, because we have picked the winner of the, what's our next security camera system. Looked really hard for a security system. I wanted to have wireless and I wanted to have wired at the same time, but I wanted to have a wireless internet connection. We've got some that pan. These will do 360 color night vision on all of these, I believe. The solar one even comes in a black color, and I'm going to actually order some more of these, and they've been going on sale like crazy. Like, it's insane how cheap these are, and this is the same. If you can see right there, it's TP-Link is the brand of these, and they make Wi-Fi routers that are really nice, like high-end Wi-Fi routers. And if you've seen our video where we installed one of these, we've had it up for about 2 or 3 months now, and it's been working flawlessly. And I'll try to show you some footage, but I am very happy with it. It's got the solar panel. What do you think about it?
It's cool. We don't have to worry about power to it because it's solar.
Mm-hmm. And the solar, 100% every time I look at it, it has been cloudy, rainy all day, and I just looked at it and it was at 100%. So these are going to be our new cameras. We're still going to use some battery-powered ones. That's what I'm trying to get away with, is getting rid of the...
Yeah, because we change them. Like we have on the front door and the back door, different areas, and when there's a lot of high traffic, things like that, the batteries go out really fast. Yeah, and those lithium batteries are not cheap.
They are getting stupid, ridiculous. I do not know why they didn't make a rechargeable system for those Blink cameras. That's what we have.
Yes.
But they didn't.
Yeah.
And it's sad, so we're going to have to, I'll probably try to sell some. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, or I just don't know.
Yeah.
I like them for what they was for, but it's time to upgrade. There's so much new stuff out of there. Check these out. There's a bunch of different ones. And also, when you get these, you want to make sure that they are compatible. See, this is Alexa, Google Home.
She thinks you're talking to her.
And the App Store and Google Play. I mean, it's...
And this app, we're also controlling something else with it.
That's right. Where is that? That's the wrong one. Oh, here we go. There's too much stuff. This is a smart plug. And I actually bought, I bought 2 of these. They was so cheap. I bought 2 of these, and I didn't realize it's got 2 plugs on it, which I knew it had 2 plugs, but you can control either plug.
Yeah, different timers on both plugs.
And I looked at the timers. The timers look awesome. There's a lot of stuff you can do with the timers.
Christmas lights.
Yes. We're going to use ours for the waterfall that we're making. And
we've already used it, and it's working great.
Yeah, it's perfect. It's fast. It's connected. We're way outside, and it's got perfect connection.
Yeah.
After testing it for 3 months, this is the way that I want to go. I want to try to have most of my apps on one app.
Most of your
devices, most of your smart home stuff on one app. So when you go in there, it's so much easier. And these have they have the doorbell stuff and all that stuff. It's going to take me a little bit. I know this looks like a lot of cameras, but we're getting ready to get that lawnmower, the robotic mower, and I want to keep my eye on it all the time. I want to make sure it's on camera.
And it says smart person detection, receive notifications only when a person is detected, reducing false alerts and prolonging battery life. So it's very smart.
Yeah, and it does the same thing with these.
2-way audio, so you can talk into it. You know, if the dog's out there doing something it shouldn't be, which I have done before, I'll get on there and say, hey you, Penny, quit doing that. She looked at me.
And this one has smart motion tracking. I can't wait to see how that does. Now I have noticed it's only probably like a 40-foot range of motion, maybe less on these, maybe 30. So think about that. And these run all the time too. These here, the solar power ones do not. So they just basically they'll take a footage, and I got them maxed out as much footage as I can get.
Yeah.
These here are going to go all the time, and they had even better ones than these. I just really like the price point of these. I mean, look how many more I can get. I've got 4 of these, and then I've got 4 of those, and I'm gonna buy 2 more of these.
So I'm reading on here. This is really cool. Daily 45 minutes of direct sunlight charges Tapo for all-day use. No sun, like today, no problem. The built-in battery provides power for up to 180 days.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's great.
So if we have, which we've been having.
We have, yeah.
We've been having a lot of rain, and
we know that there's that built-in battery that's going to give us.
Yeah, and we'll show you some footage of these right here, kind of the app a little bit. I love it.
Yeah, it's cool. Oh, look, it's going to rain.
Okay, we're in the Smart app. I want to make sure. And you can see we got the Smart plug, and one of them is a waterfall. That's on the one single plug. And then we got Penny Spot. And it's pretty fast. It takes, did you see that?
Yeah, that was
about
almost
2 seconds. And you're on.
There's the talk.
Yeah, the talk. You can see the alarm. I think it's perfect for us. The price point was amazing. And you can do cloud and storage directly on these cameras. That's one of my big things that I liked about it, is you don't have to have cloud if you don't want to. And I think even if you do get cloud, it's pretty cheap. I think it's like $10 a month for like 10 cameras. I may be wrong, but 10 cameras is quite a bit. We got what? We got 8 already, and we're going to add 2 more, so that would be 10. So that would be perfect for us to have cloud storage. And cloud storage is a big deal because if something happens, someone messes with your camera or steals your camera, well, you've got the footage on the cloud, and you don't have to worry about it.
We had an instance with the Blink where it caught a damage to our mailbox.
Oh, yes. Yeah, we had damage to our mailbox.
And we've
seen them.
Tell the person, hey, you did this.
I got it on camera.
And we got a new mailbox out of it.
Yeah.
So, I mean, security, you have to, especially these days, you can't be too careful. This may look a little overdone, but it's not. You've got to protect your property, your stuff, everything.
And know who's coming.
Yeah.
And know who's been there.
Yep.
And see if people stealing your packages.
Yeah. We get a lot of packages, and
which we don't have that problem where we live.
Right.
I mean, that'd be really brave to be on this road and do anything. I mean, but yeah, this is what we're going with. I hope if you're looking for cameras, this is a good product. And like I said, they had the ones in black. That looks awesome. I'm gonna buy 2 more black ones like this, and we're gonna put them in a special hidden place. But yeah, I want to see every car that goes by my house.
Yeah.
I'm going to make that happen. But thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.
Catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm glad this Smart plug. Oh, I didn't tell them about the 3 little ones that are inside. There's 3 little ones you can get that go inside, like for your Christmas tree.
Oh, yeah. Did you buy those?
Yes.
Yeah.
I bought a 3-pack, and it was very cheap. And that would be on the app, too.
That's going to be so nice, and I don't have to use that remote, because I'm always losing that remote.
Yes.
And it's all on my phone.
I was thinking about you with that remote. That those would be... Now, what if you lose the plug?
Now, you know what you're going to have to do now, right?
You could put the plug and just leave it in all the time.
You're going to have to put Christmas lights up outside.
Well...
You have to show them what you did and how it works.
Well... I don't know.
You set yourself up for that.
No.
By being so thoughtful.
Hey, what's that say? Does that say Apple?
Apple Home.
Well, this one don't say Apple Home on it. Huh. This one did? What about these? No.
This one's just
Google
different.
Home
I
and
didn't know there
Alexa.
was even a thing with Apple Home.
IP65.
Works with Google Home.
Well, that's kind of, that would be awesome if it was all Apple, you know, too,
Oh,
for the Apple people.
yeah.